Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will show you beautiful Seashell crafts ideas. So I hope viewers you are enjoying my videos. So friends, let's start today video. So friends, my first idea is viewers friends my first idea is viewers seashells flower decoration. For this project, different sizes of shells can be arranged together to look like flower pattern. You can place a small bead or pearl in the center to complete the flower. You can make one large flower or create several small flowers and arrange them on a wooden board. This simple idea can become a beautiful wall decoration for a bedrooms, living rooms, or even a beach theme corners. Another wonderful idea is a seashell photo frame. Take a simple photo frame and decorate its edges with the seashells. Use large shell for the corners and small shells to fill the space between them. You can also add pearls, small stones, starfish shape, or rock to give the frame a more beautiful coastal look. This can be a lovely way to display your favorite holiday or family photos. And viewers, friends, my next idea is viewers seashell candle holder. A glass can be decorated with seashells around the outside. Add candles inside and you will have a beautiful piece of coastal home decoration. When the candle is lit, the shells can create a warm and relaxing atmosphere. Seashell bath, use a round base and cover it with seashells different shape and size. You can add dewdrop, dry flower pearl, or small piece of dry wood. A seashell bath can look beautiful on a front door wall or above a shelf. So viewers, I hope you are enjoying my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates viewers. So viewers, Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video viewers. So